Welcome to this short video on conditional formatting. So as the name suggests, conditional formatting is where we could take a cell such as this one here, cell C20, and change the way it looks, i.e. the formatting, in accordance with some sort of situation. And in computing we call those situations conditions, hence the name conditional formatting. Here on this quotation, we've got a cell here in C20 called valued customer. And as part of SM1, you would have completed this code here, which is a nested if or statement. And the statement is as follows. If the type of card is luxury or superior quality, then we will say that yes, this is a valued customer to our business. Otherwise, no. What if we want to make it easier for our client to realize that they're dealing with a valued customer? We might want to do that to speed up their order or some other thing to make them happy and make them order more things from us. So why don't we make this cell green to make it really stand out? So we change the formatting of the cell to green when it is a yes. So fortunately, this is fairly straightforward. You go to the Home tab, making sure, of course, you've got the cell selected here, and you go to Conditional Formatting. And the easiest way that I'd like to do it is just to say, I want to make a new rule. Let's bring that into the middle. And I will say, choose this second one, format only cells that contain something. So here is the description of the rule. Format cells with a cell value, and then here is a type of condition, and here is the actual values you can put in. So what I want to do is, I want to say that if I see the letters YES in the cell, then I want to turn that cell green. So I'm going to say a cell value equal to, and you'll see the format has changed slightly here, YES. Now it can get a bit fussy here about quote marks and things like that, depending on whether you're putting in numbers or text. But from experience, I'm just going to leave it without the quote marks, and I will click Format. And here in the format is all the things that we could change, and the one that I would like to change is the fill color. And I'd like to make it this sort of bright green color here. Click OK. So what I've done here, I've said format only cells that are equal to the words yes and turn it green. And you'll notice I've only applied that to this cell here. Yes, you can apply this to a whole range of cells to make life easier, but I've just applied it to that cell there. So when I click OK, hopefully that cell will turn green. And it does. So now we need to test our conditional formatting. So I go to the quality of the card, and if I go to standard, that should mean that this isn't a valued customer, and this box should go back to being just a plain color. Correct. And then just to test, this is be part of SM3, go to luxury, it turns to yes, go to superior, turns to yes, it's still green. So you can change the color of cells, the color of text, you can change the size of the text or the font. There's lots of things you could do with conditional formatting. And just to remind you, it's there under Home, Conditional Formatting. Thanks for watching.